Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm just going to show you how to remove background from images, right? So I've already created a video about this, but someone asked me what if the background is a bit complex, just like removing the background from a subject that has hair, removing background from hair can be quite tricky. So in this video I'll show you how to remove background from subjects that have crazy hair, right? So without talking too much, let's just get started. So I'm just going to select this image and I'll drag it and drop it into my Photoshop, right? So you can see their hair. You can see how crazy this is, right? So how do you go about this? So the first you go to is you go to select a mask, right? So once you select a mask, you can see I have this red color. You might not really have it, or you might have it. Does not matter. Once you select a mask, go to select subject at the top here, right? Click on select subject and allow it to load, right? So it's going to load. Give it a while, give it some time. All right, setting is almost done. All right, so it has loaded, right? So like this, it has been selected. The next thing you want to do is click on refine hair. Click on refine hair, and it's going to load and refine the hair. Once it has refined the hair, go to the right hand side, scroll to the bottom, and you're going to see decontaminate colors. Click on decontaminate colors. Once you click on that, click on OK, and it's going to boom. Can you look at that? It has perfectly removed the background from this image, and if you zoom in, you're going to see the crazy job that it did. Can you look at this? That's how you remove background from here. Alright, so I'm going to close this and we're going to try it again with another image just to solidify what we've learned. Alright, so like I said, you can see that this hair is crazy. So what are we going to do? We're going to go to select our mask. Alright, it's going to take you to select a mask. Then you click on select subject, and you have to wait for it to load. We'll give it some time. By the way, you guys should like this video and subscribe and drop a comment on what you think about this video, or if you have other recommendations, right? So it has selected the subject, so we're going to click on refine hair. Refine hair is going to load, and the last thing is what? The contaminate colors, and click on OK, and boom. Can you look at that? It's almost like magic, right? So if we go down here and we click on solid color, you can see that it does not even matter whatever background we choose. Can you see how seamlessly it's blending into it? Because that's how crazy this is. Like, the background has been removed perfectly. Right, so should we try one more time? Let me actually save this. Let me quickly save this. I think I'm going to use this image for a design. So let me just save it. Sorry, this should not be part of this tutorial. I'll just save it. Crazy hair lady. Alright, so I'm going to close this and we'll try one more time to solidify everything. This one is not really that, the hair is not that crazy, but it's still kind of crazy, right? So select our mask. Alright, select subjects. I hope you're not hearing that noise, that background noise, and if you are, I apologize. Right, select subjects. It's going to load. Right, you click on refine hair, and then decontaminate colors, and click on OK. Right, can you look at that? If we go down and we click on solid color, you can see that no matter the color of the background is going to blend in. Alright, so that is how you remove background of crazy images with crazy hair or complex backgrounds, right? I hope you guys learned something new. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If you have other video requests, also drop it in the comment section. And of course, subscribe to this channel because more amazing content is going to be coming out. You can also check my previous videos to see the kind of videos that I make. You can also check out my other video on removing backgrounds. Alright, thank you so much for watching to this point. I'll catch you in the next video.